After confirming your shipments in Step 2, it's time to print your box labels. If you have any pallets in your shipment, you'll confirm those details and print carrier labels in the next steps. If there are no pallets in your shipment, this will be your final step. First, you'll want to review the ship from and ship date fields to ensure they are correct. You can edit the ship date at this point, but if your ship from field needs to be changed, you'll need to go back to Step 1. Next, review details for each shipment in the shipment card. Select Rename if you would like to update the shipment name. If you want to edit shipment contents, select View or Edit Contents in the shipment card. The window that appears lets you view box allocation across shipments, print your pack list, and edit unit quantities. You can adjust up to 6 units or 5% of total units, whichever is greater. Select Validate Updates when finished. To print box labels, select the drop-down menu in each shipment card to choose the size of your labels. Then select Print to generate a PDF. If you're using an Amazon-partnered carrier, your PDF will include an FBA box ID label as well as a carrier label for each box. FBA box ID labels help us more efficiently manage your shipments once they arrive at an Amazon fulfillment center. For non-partnered carriers, your PDF will only include FBA box ID labels. You'll need to work with your carrier to create carrier labels, then apply both to each box. For pallet shipments, your PDF will also include only FBA box ID labels. Make sure to apply these labels to each box so that they will be visible when the pallet is unpacked at our fulfillment center. Once all your labels have been applied, your next steps will vary based on your selections in Step 2. For small parcel shipments with an Amazon-partnered carrier, you've completed the workflow and you're ready to hand off your shipment. Click View Tracking Details. We'll track your shipments and change the status to Shipped for you. For small parcel shipments with a non-partnered carrier, you can also click View Tracking Details and hand off your shipment to the carrier. Then you'll need to provide tracking IDs for your boxes. This can be done in the final step, Tracking Details, that will populate once you complete Step 3, or by navigating to your shipping queue and clicking Track Shipment. For pallet shipments, select Continue to Carrier and Pallet Information to proceed to Step 4.